Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Relaxing English Zone.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is one that confuses almost every English learner.
Yes, we're talking about used to, be used to, and get used to.
They sound similar.
But they have completely different meanings.
Don't worry if you've mixed them up before.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand all three.
We'll explain everything slowly.
And we'll use lots of real-life examples.
Ready?
Let's get started.
Let's begin with used to.
This is probably the easiest one to learn.
We use used to talk about the past.
More specifically, things that were true before but are not true now.
For example, I used to play soccer every weekend.
That means you played soccer regularly in the past.
But you don't play anymore.
Exactly.
Here's another example. I used to live in New York.
So now you probably live somewhere else.
Right.
Notice that used to always connects us to the past.
I used to drink coffee every morning.
Now maybe you drink tea instead.
I used to stay up very late.
But now you go to bed early.
I used to watch cartoons after school.
A lot of us did.
I used to be very shy.
Really?
Believe it or not, yes.
It's amazing how people change over time.
Did you used to play any sports?
Yes, I used to play volleyball in high school.
Do you still play?
Not anymore. I don't have much time these days.
I know that feeling.
What about you?
I used to play basketball almost every afternoon.
Every afternoon?
Yes, my friends and I loved playing together.
Do you still play basketball?
Only once in a while. Childhood is a great time to use used to.
I used to climb trees.
I used to ride my bike every evening.
I used to collect stickers.
I used to watch cartoons every Saturday morning.
I used to believe monsters lived under my bed.
Really?
Yes, I was terrified.
Kids have amazing imaginations. Let's look at the grammar.
The positive form is very simple.
Subject plus used to plus the base verb.
For example, she used to work in a bank.
They used to travel every summer.
We used to study together.
Now let's make it negative.
We say, I didn't used to.
Notice something?
After didn't, we say use, not used.
I didn't used to like coffee.
He didn't used to wear glasses.
We didn't used to have smartphones.
Questions are easy too.
Just say, did you used to?
For example, did you used to live here?
Did she used to play the piano?
Again, not used, just use.
Let's correct a few mistakes. Here's the first one. Wrong. I didn't used to play soccer. Correct. I didn't used to play soccer. Wrong. I used to live in Canada. Correct. I used to live in Canada. Small changes, but a big difference. Now it's your turn. Think about your childhood. So now you know that used to talks about the past, but what about be used to? Does it talk about the past too? Not at all. In the next part, you'll learn why the sentence, I'm used to waking up early, has a completely different meaning. Stay with us, because that's where many English learners get confused. Welcome back.
Now let's talk about be used to.
Many learners confuse it with used to.
But the meaning is different. What does be used to mean? We use be used to when something feels normal.
It means I am accustomed to it.
For example, I am used to waking up early.
It feels normal for me now. I am used to working under pressure. Pressure feels normal. I am used to speaking English every day. It's part of my routine. I am used to living in a big city. Noise and traffic feel normal. Are you used to waking up early? Yes, I am. Was it hard before? Yes, but now I'm used to it. I am used to working under pressure. Pressure feels normal. I am used to speaking English every day. It's part of my routine. I am used to living in a big city. Noise and traffic feel normal. Are you used to waking up early? Yes, I am. Was it hard before? Yes, but now I'm used to it.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now it's time to talk about the third expression, get used to.
This expression is about change.
It describes the process of becoming comfortable with something new.
In simple words, it means something was strange or difficult before, but now it is becoming normal.
So, get used to is about adaptation.
Let's compare be used to and get used to.
With be used to, you are already comfortable with something.
For example, I am used to waking up early.
That means waking up early is already normal for me.
But with get used to,
You are still changing and becoming comfortable. For example, I am getting used to waking up early. That means it was difficult before, but I am slowly adapting.
let's look at some examples.
I am getting used to my new job.
Maybe the job was difficult at first.
But little by little, it becomes easier.
Another example. I am getting used to living in a new city.
The city feels unfamiliar now, but it will become normal.
I am getting used to speaking English.
At first, speaking was scary.
But with practice, it becomes easier.
Have you ever had to get used to something new?
Yes, many times.
Can you give us an example?
When I started working from home, it felt strange.
What was difficult?
Managing my time and staying focused.
And now?
Now, I am used to it.
Great example.
First, I was getting used to it.
Then it became normal.
Let's look at the grammar.
The structure is
Subject plus get used to plus noun or verb ending in ing.
For example,
I am getting used to the weather.
she is getting used to driving.
They are getting used to their new school.
We can use it in different tenses.
Present. I am getting used to my new routine.
Past, I got used to the noise.
Future. You will get used to it.
The idea is always the same.
You are adapting to something new. Common mistakes. Let's look at a common mistake.
Some learners say,
I am getting used to wake up early.
but that's incorrect.
The correct sentence is, I am getting used to waking up early.
Remember,
After get used to, we use a noun or an ing verb.
Before we finish, let's review all three expressions.
used to talks about a past habit.
I used to play soccer.
Be used to means something is normal for you now.
I am used to playing soccer.
Get used to means you are becoming comfortable with something new.
I am getting used to playing soccer.
Now you know the difference between these three confusing expressions.
Remember, English becomes easier when you practice a little every day.
Don't just study grammar rules,
Try to use them in real conversations.
because the goal is not only to understand English,
The goal is to speak English with confidence.